Well done, guys, you made it. Welcome to lesson 12 of the Trading 101 course. In this lesson, I'm going to be talking to you about market trading hours. Let's get straight into it. Hi guys, it's Enny, aka the Not Trader, your friendly neighborhood swing trader, back again with another video. Remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that alert button to get alerts on all my latest videos. I've got Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at the Not Trader on all social media platforms. And if you check the description section below, you see a link to my mailing list and a link to my Discord chat room. Now, in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about market trading hours. This is lesson 12 of the 12-part series, so we're on the last lesson. If you haven't seen lesson 1 to 11, I'd advise you go and watch back from 1 to 11 in order, then come back to this video. Let's get straight into it. So this lesson is a short one. I just wanted to go through a good website that I use to check the trading hours across the world, because obviously the stock market is a worldwide market. There's different stock exchanges all around the world, and they all operate in the trading hours that are relevant to the region that they reside in. So if you want to trade stuff like forexes, or if you want to trade equities or stocks in different markets, you need to know about the hours in which the stocks in the exchanges in those markets open and close, so that you can just know what time to trade. So I've got a great website that I use. There's a great website called World Time Zone. I've actually spoken about this in my top 10 trading related websites, so I've got a link to that in the top right hand corner if you want to check that out. So yeah, let's check this website out. It's a great website that has a visual aid to show you what markets are open currently, and it also just tells you the times in which these markets are open. So here's the website. As you can see, it's a very simple website, but it just does what it says on the tin. Doesn't really give you too much crazy stuff to look at. Right now all the markets are closed because I'm recording this I think it's on a Friday night, so all the markets are closed at the moment. But obviously at the right hand side it tells you the different time zones, and at the bottom here, which is really useful, it tells you all the major stock exchanges and what times they open. So this is really useful. Normally I just use this one, to be honest, because it'll just tell you what's open, what's closed. Once you look at there, you can see what's open, what's closed, and what time it is locally, so you can just know what markets are open. After a while, if you get used to it, you kind of know which ones are open just based off the time of day it is in your region, because if you look at this long enough, you'll get to know what markets are open. But I think it's really useful. It's just useful to what I use, and I just thought I'd show you this as something to a useful website to use when you want to look at the times of the different exchanges. Nothing really more to it than that. Well done for watching all the series. If you did, I've got some more trading courses coming soon. Yeah, so it's Enny, aka the Not Trader, signing out.